this sort of originated out of a variety of reasons, but what we're trying to accomplish is a couple of things. To keep business moving in our counties, so we are not leaving applicants that want to develop specifically a confined feeding operation waiting for 6 or 9 or up to a year, which has happened. It also really is trying to help counties stay out of court, honestly. What we've put in the bill is some language that is in essence what the courts have said in other cases that have been challenged, and that a couple of those things, one is that a county cannot approve or deny, specifically deny, a permit based on anything other than their zoning laws.
I think my main message was I support LB 663 because it offers some education, especially to new members to planning and zoning, so they have a foundation to make a solid decision off of and don't become involved in emotion. Sometimes in a hearing there's a lot of emotional testimony that may not be congruent with science and proper with things that are allowed, when absolutely what we're doing is trying to prosper rural Nebraska, rural America, by allowing livestock as one situation to occur in an ag zoned area for people to add value, bring family members back, maybe have 3 or 4 generations involved on an operation where if it was strictly a row crop operation, perhaps 2 generations could only be involved.
Over a year ago, we were meeting with builders just to get an idea of costs and stuff, and so we'd kind of meet with them throughout the year, and I mean, stuff would go up, stuff would go down. Same with interest rates. They're different than they were a year ago, and so depending on how long this process takes, that can definitely play into the effect of how much you're going to end up spending in the long run for this, not to mention the lawyer fees and the nutrient management fees, stuff like that we've had to do for this plan, that if the process had been done correctly, we maybe would not have had to incur those.
The bill provides for a shot clock for both the zoning board and the county planning board as well, or the county board as well. And so each of them get 90 days to make a determination whether the permit is approved or denied. So really it's a total of 180 days plus another 30 days for each to determine if the application is complete. So again, we've provided ample time for both the zoning board and the county board to look at the bill, do the research they feel like they need to do, set their hearing dates, and make a determination. So I would encourage Farm Bureau members to reach out to the senators that are on government and military affairs, specifically if it's their senator. I will tell you, being in the seat of senator, you pay very close attention to emails that come from constituents, and just encourage them to advance the bill. Sometimes we have some senators on the committee that aren't as familiar with agriculture, and really welcome, I think, any information from constituents that can aid them in making a decision. And so I would encourage people to reach out to all of those committee members, quite frankly, and help them understand the importance of agriculture to the state of Nebraska and the need to make sure that we keep commerce moving.